Wow, we knew it was coming. I guess it's finally here. What's going on, guys? It's your boy, the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but value bombs. If this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, hello and welcome. If it isn't, it's nice to see you again. Please do, if you get some value, like, comment, and of course smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, so you stay up to date with my latest videos, because you do not want to miss out on any of my upcoming content. So I want to talk about this massive update that Facebook have done recently, which has completely changed the game for every single advertiser on the platform. Now, it doesn't matter if you're doing Shopify dropshipping, if you are doing a niche store, a general store, a branded store, selling info products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter. This affects absolutely everyone. So what is it I'm actually talking about? Well, Facebook have rolled out a new feature, a transparency feature, which allows anybody to go onto any single fan page and see the adverts that they are running. Yep, so those dark posts you thought were hidden from everyone are now officially on show to the whole world. Now, this was officially only available in Canada. They tested it out in Canada, but now it's officially gone global, which means that any one person, any marketer, anyone in the world can click on any single fan page and just see the adverts that you're currently running. So before I actually talk about what this means for you as an advertiser, let me show you exactly how it works so you can get to grips with it and of course start testing it out. Okay, so let me quickly show you how this new update actually works so you can get to grips with it. As you can see, I'm on the Facebook page for Pet Ninja. I think someone in the comments on one of my videos said that they thought that Pet Ninja was my website. Unfortunately, you're 100% wrong. So I thought I'd just use this as an example. So as you can see on the left hand side, it will say a bunch of tabs, and this one here says info and ads. Now, if you click on that, let it load, and it says active ads from Pet Ninja. Now, of course, it's defaulted to United Kingdom, which is where I am, but you can change that, and as if you scroll down a little bit, you can see all of the adverts that they're currently running for the United Kingdom. And if you click on that, what you can do is of course change it to any country, United States, or you can click global ads as well. If we click on that, and we can scroll down, we can have a look at all of these products, the creative and stuff like that. Now, you can as well see the engagement as well that is going on the advert. So if we actually click on the video, I'm going to turn that down. And if we click on it, blow it up widescreen, you can see here now that the creative, okay, get yours here, etc. And you can see the amount of likes it's got. You can see the shares, the amount of views, and of course you can see the comments as well. So you can see the engagement, you can see the advert, you can pretty much see everything that is out there. So that is how it works. That is the new update. Let's have a conversation about it. So now that you've seen how it works, what does this mean for you as an advertiser? Is it the end of Shopify dropshipping? Is it going to harm your brand? What are the pros? What are the cons? Let's talk about it. Well, the good thing, of course, is that it's opened the playing field for everyone. It's leveled the playing field, okay? It means that you can now find products. You pretty much have no excuse to find products if you're relying just on dropshipping. You can go to any single page, okay, click on that tab and find their winning products. You can of course see the engagement as well to see if it is something that is getting a great reaction or not, and you can basically just go to any single page and find products, which means you don't necessarily have to start relying on those spy tools. Now remember, the end goal should always be, if you are just starting off with dropshipping, should be to build out a long-term sustainable brand. Okay, that's what I do with my winners. You want to be testing stuff on your general store, okay? Find those winners, and then once you find those winners, break them out into a new store, find a supplier, okay? Brand them yourself, trademark it, copyright it, and build it into a long-term sustainable brand. Like I say, that is what I do, and that is what your goal should be to do too. Now, once you get to that point where you're trademarking stuff and you're copywriting your logos and all those sorts of things, it doesn't matter if people can see your stuff anyway, because at the end of the day, you can just literally sue them if they are taking your material. Now, you are going to build a massive brand loyalty and be building an asset that of course you can sell in the later stages of the business if you wanted to. Now, dropshipping is still the easiest method to get into e-commerce. Okay, you don't need massive warehouses that you do with a brand. Okay, you don't need any sort of inventory, so to speak, to start off with. And again, the barriers to entry to dropshipping are so low that again, testing products and all those sorts of things you can literally do and start making sales. So again, there's nothing wrong with dropshipping to start off with. Now, will this update actually kill dropshipping on Facebook? Well, let's talk about that for a minute. Just because you can see these products working, okay, and you can see these creatives, does not mean that you are going to be able to recreate that success. Why? Just because you watch Bruce Lee on TV, in films, does not mean you know karate. So what do I mean by that? Well, you may be able to see the product, you may be able to see the offer, but there's an important part missing, which is the audience and the targeting. And like I mentioned in a previous video, okay, you need those three things aligned to be able to create success. So, you need the product, you need the audience, and of course you need the offer. So if you can see only two parts of it, you're still missing a massive part. Now, how many times have you seen a winning product on Facebook and you think, okay, you know what, I'm going to give this a test, and you throw some money at it and you find that you don't find that it's a winner. It don't bring you the sales. I've done it, and I know personally that people watching this video have done it too. That's because there's a few different things that come into play that influence whether something is going to be a winner or not. And it's more than just the product, just the audience, and just the offer. Things like ad account history, relevancy scores, quality scores, pixel data, all of these things have an influence on whether something is going to be a winner or not. So remember, just because you can see it does not mean you are going to be able to recreate that success. It's as simple as that. Now, another thing is you actually have to find these pages, which isn't as easy as it is, of course, if you're just doing drop shipping. These drop shipping stores, what they do is they hyper niche their pages, which means if they're selling cat products, they'll sell it on a cat page. If they're selling dog products, they'll sell it on a dog page, and they'll have all of these different pages, okay, all running with different winners on. So although you may find one page, that store may have, another 5 to 10 different pages that may all have winners on. So you might find one, it doesn't mean you're going to find all of their winners. Now, is this going to create competition with your main products and your main winners? Who knows? It may do, it may not. But remember, there's a lot of different things that come into play. And if you have winners right now, I wouldn't start pulling your hair out thinking that everyone else is going to recreate that success. Because like I said, there's a lot of different things that come into play into your product being a winner over the next person. Now, if you are the first to market, you're going to get the lion's share anyway. So if you are scared, scale hard and scale fast. But remember, there are a load of different things that come into play. And if you have something working on Facebook, 9 times out of 10, Facebook will favor your advert over the copycats because you were the first to market. You have all of those different things which I previously mentioned, which is why your advert is working. Also, Facebook isn't the only traffic source. If you are just relying, like I mentioned in my other video, on one traffic source, then you are in serious trouble. Don't just rely on Facebook. Yes, it is fantastic. Yes, you can drive targeted traffic, but remember, there are loads of different ways you can go out there and find traffic that are super underutilized and probably a lot cheaper than Facebook. For example, Google AdWords, YouTube adverts, okay, Pinterest adverts. There's a load of different places that you can use. Also Reddit adverts. There are a load of different places that you can use, okay, that can bring you in targeted traffic as well as Facebook. Now, if you are super scared of this update and you don't want the world to find your winners, first and foremost, just get over it. And secondly, if you are that scared and you want to take measures, then just create more fan pages. Just find a product, and once that product is winning on that page, then just create a new page, test products on the new page until you find a winner, and then just create a new one and test products on that, and so on and so on and so on. Or alternatively, just run a ton of $1 adverts so that it fills up the whole thing, making it a little bit harder for people to find your winning products. Again, I wouldn't even bother with doing any of that, okay? The main thing is you need to move towards a brand, okay? A sustainable brand, which means that no one can copy your stuff regardless. That is where you ideally need to be. Now, do I think this update will kill dropshipping? Absolutely not. And am I worried about it? Absolutely not. Why? Because obviously, of course, I've got branded stores that I'm working on, and alternatively, I'm a marketer who adapts and survives. It's as simple as that. If you are not in this game, okay, as a business person, as a marketer, okay, as an entrepreneur, you have to adapt and survive. There has been many changes with Facebook throughout the years, okay, CPCs rising, CPMs rising, different changes, algorithms, all these sorts of things, okay? If you are not in this game to adapt and survive, then you are not fit to be an entrepreneur. It's as simple as that. You roll with the times and you keep moving. That is the reason why we're consistent with our producing results, okay? We adapt, we survive, because at the end of the day, there's nothing we can do to change it. So all you can do is adapt, survive, move, and keep crushing it. Some people will absolutely love it. Some people will absolutely hate it. I'm pretty much indifferent. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. But just use it while it's here. It's here to stay. So use it, utilize the tool while you can. Now, of course, if you got some value from this video, please do, of course, like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well so you stay up to date with my latest videos. Now, I'd love to know your thoughts on this update. What do you think of it? Which side are you on? Do you absolutely love it? Do you absolutely hate it? Are you indifferent? What are your thoughts? So let me know in the comment section. I'll be reading through them, replying to them, and having a little bit of a discussion down below. So make sure you comment down below with your thoughts and what you think of this new update. Remember, I have got a free mastermind group. Click the link down below. I'm in there. Other marketers are in there. We talk about nothing but e-commerce, Shopify, dropshipping, all helping each other grow. If you want to reach out to me on a personal basis, best place is probably Instagram. It'll pop up on the screen. Drop me a like, drop me a follow, drop me a DM, and we can connect on there. That is it for this video. Again, I hope you got some value. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Take care.